What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz. So let me give you a full walk around video of the prep work that's been done to this car. You've seen it in the shorts, so I thought I'll give you a walk around of what it's like. I tell you what, bro, it's definitely changed from the last time I gave it. Even the arches you saw last time, they were all red. They've been sanded down. Back had a bit of rust there as well. That's all been treated. Bumper had a bit of crack there as well. So that's been done. I'll tell you what, the car is coming along. Spoiler. New wings on it. They were from Greece. Bonnet as well. I don't know if you remember, but it needed a bit of work in this left hand side. There were a bit of work done there, so that's been done. Oh, that side and also this side. Front bumper as well. That's an uncut front bumper. Yeah, she's nearly ready for paint, people. What do you think? What a beast. Can't wait for this to get on road. That's the toe cap right there, so toe cap, but inside needs a right clean. Inside is very dirty. Put some number plate there. Yeah, that's the prep work, peeps. Of course, I've got the I'm going to do a few stuff after this, but I've got the clear indicator lenses to go on, new suspension, new wheels. I'm going to sort the wipers out as well, take the wipers off, take this scuttle panel off, respray that all black myself, and also the back one as well. Back one needs spraying. That one needs spraying, and also change the number plate, get a bigger number plate on it. Hopefully that spells Pulsar horizontal and not like 3 letters on top, 3 letters on bottom. So we're gonna get that in, hopefully. But yeah, that's the prep work that's been done on the car. And of course, with the front uncut bumper, the number plate is going to be put back into the middle, so this car will look near to OEM as possible, except for the wheels, because that's the only thing we're changing on the car that will look looks wise is the wheels. Other than that, hopefully everything will be done properly, inshallah. Yeah, if you want to follow my journey in this car, make sure you like, follow and subscribe, and I'll see you again for another video.